have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe.
Hey designers, welcome back. I hope you're doing awesome. So in tonight's video, I'm going to share an after dark clean and decorate with me. I wanted to finally place the items that I picked up at Home Goods and Target in my home. So I'm going to show a little bit of decorating in my dining room, on the side table in my living room, and my bookshelf. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So without no further ado, let's start cleaning. If you guys notice, I still have a few rolls left in my new rug. Maybe you can suggest some ideas. I don't know what else to do. I've stretched the rug. Maybe the rug is just one of those rugs you just can't, get the rolls out or the creases. So if you have any tips of ways I can get rid of it, please let me know. If you watch my home decor haul video, you will know that these items are from that haul. Now this is where I decided to place the items. This greenery I got from a floral. So I really love the way my dining room looks. Up next is my bookshelf. I decided to place the Project 62 bowl in my bookshelf, and then the knot I picked up from Overstock on the bottom. I love the way my bookshelf looks. So far, it's very simple. I'm also looking for a wooden branch, so hopefully I could find it in Home Goods. Up next is my living room. It's a little messy, so I'm just going to clean it up, fluff my pillows, vacuum, and then I'm going to decorate my side table in the corner. If you guys notice, my curtains, they look a little disheveled. I just put them in the wash and I hung them. I just need to steam them to get the creases out, but I love to wash my curtains just to keep them smelling fresh, because having dirty drapes do contribute to odors in your home. So I like to keep mine clean and wash them on a regular basis. Now some curtains you can wash in the washer and some you have to take to the dry cleaners. So if you have expensive curtains, take them to the dry cleaners. Up next is my side table. I'm going to decorate it with these decor items. I got the sculpture from Ross, and of course I got that knot from Target. I just couldn't decide on the look, but I did decide to go with this one instead. So this is what my side table looks like right now. So now I'm going to vacuum my living room. It's a little messy, so I decided to run the vacuum over this area. Now I really love this vacuum. It's very versatile. It's great for carpet as well as floors. So I really love using this to vacuum all the dirt off my floor instead of sweeping. It's more efficient and effective, for removing dirt.
Tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies.
Up next is the kids' bathroom. They tend to leave this very messy. So almost every night I have to do a quick clean. So I'm going to do a quick vacuum, sanitize, the countertops, the cupboard, the toilet, just to freshen the space and make it smell, really good.
But I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back.
Up next is my kitchen. I'm going to do a quick clean. I'm going to do the dishes, put the dishes away, and then I'm going to clean my floors. So I just wanted to get the kitchen, nice and clean and organized before the next day. I like to start my day with a clean kitchen. It kind of messes up my day if I don't have a clean kitchen. So most times I like to clean up the kitchen before I go to bed. Did you know that hand washing your dishes uses more water than a dishwasher? Like, that is crazy. That's why they recommend that you use your dishwasher, since it has energy efficient features. But as you can see, that hand washing your dishes will use up more water, and that is great information to know as well. Great information to also know is that your kitchen sink has a lot of germs, so it's always a great idea to spray down your kitchen sink with Lysol or bleach just to sanitize it every night. So I'm going to finish up these dishes, put away the rest of my pots, clean my countertops, wipe them down, and then I'm going to clean my floors. My cats are so messy. Whenever they eat, they get food everywhere. So I do have to clean up this area as well. So I have to do this almost every night just to keep, you don't want to have rodents running around and feeding off cat food. So I like to keep their area very clean.
Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again,
I'm also going to clean up my foyer. It's a high traffic area, so I have to keep the shoes and everything stored away. I'm going to vacuum this area as well, and then I'm going to use my steam mop to sanitize this area.
drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day, you dream, you forgive our mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day, you dream. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting.
I hope you guys enjoyed this after dark clean and decorate with me. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the next one. Bye.